Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss what is the minimum order value, minimum cart quantity as well as maximum cart quantity. Now suppose we want that a customer should not be able to place an order less than 10,000 rupees. In order to do that, we are going to go to shop settings from settings and change the minimum order value here. If we do this and we refresh this, you'd see that there is a notification saying minimum order value is 10,000 rupees. Now, if I add something to the cart and if I go to my cart, then my total value of the cart is less than 10,000 rupees. If I go to checkout, it's going to say order total should be greater than 10,000 rupees. So it's going to restrict the customer to order something which is less than the minimum order value. If I then increase this and now check out, he'll be able to proceed. Now that's the first thing. If I continue shopping, now let's go back to store configuration. The next thing is minimum cart quantity. Let's say we make this 0, which is minimum order value, and we make this into 5. What this means is that one person will not be able to order less than 5 items in the cart, irrespective of the value. He'll not be able to order less than 5 items. And if you want to restrict the maximum cart quantity as well, let's say I don't want anybody to order more than 10 items in total from the cart, then we'll put in the minimum cart value as well as the minimum cart quantity as well as the maximum cart quantity here. Now once we've changed this, let's refresh. And we are going to go into a product. And let's say I add something to the product. Let's say I add this to the product and I go to cart. I'm seeing that I've just added 3 products to the cart. When I check out, it's going to say add 2 more items to continue to check out. So it will not allow till the time the minimum cart quantity is more than less than 5. Now, if I increase this to 5 and check out, it's going to allow me to carry on. The other thing which we can do is we'll go back and we'll check. Let's say we order something like 10 and then 2 items. So now the number of items is 12 here. If I now check out, it's going to say remove 2 items from the cart to continue because maximum item order can be 10 items. So I'll need to remove. So let's make it 10 and then check out. It's going to allow me to check out. So this is how you configure all these 3 things, which is the minimum order value, minimum cart quantity, as well as the maximum cart quantity. Thank you.